And this bed is going to slide underneath these cabinets, right underneath here. And I'll show that to you when we do that. So now I'm going to go ahead and start bringing items into the bedroom. And I'll leave the camera there so you can see what I'm doing. So we have some ottomans in the living room. We move those back here. I'm just going to move some videos out of the way to get another ottoman and put that back here. And now I'm going to go ahead and turn you around so you can see my living room. So this is the living room. It's my couch. I'm going to be pulling up all of the drapes, you could call them, the shades. Otherwise, if you don't pull them all up and bring them up to the top as you are driving, you will hear a lot more noise. So I try to be cautious of that, have less noise going on. So that's my front of the house, and where we eat, in my husband's area where he likes to have his desk, and the kitchen. So here we are. It's kind of dark. I don't have a lot of lights on because I'm working, but perhaps I will turn some lights on for you. Okay. So I like to keep my tablet up front with me in case I need to check my checkbooks or anything else. So I'm going to move these up front, and I'll just turn you a little bit so you can see more what I'm doing. Get this blanket out of the way and put some more things back on the bed. So this area, I like to move everything off of this shelf, and I put it all on the bed, the couch here. And then I'm going to take some pots. I have pots, different pots in the house, and put them back on here. And you're going to see how I put a lot of different things on this couch, and then how I secure it. So first I like to start with my lamp. And then this tower. And a few other things. And I just keep my pace going. Next, I bring everything off of here.